Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to service your Chevrolet Spark. First, let's cover the basics of routine maintenance. You'll learn how to perform simple checks that keep your car running smoothly and safely. We'll start with fluid levels, then move on to tire pressure, and finally, discuss general inspections. These steps are crucial for extending your vehicle's lifespan and ensuring optimal performance on the road. It's easier than you think to keep your Spark in top condition. Next, let's dive into checking your Chevrolet Spark's vital fluids. You should regularly inspect your engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid. Maintaining correct levels is critical for your car's health and performance. Low fluid levels can lead to serious issues, so knowing how to check and top them off is a valuable skill. We'll show you where to locate each reservoir and what to look for to ensure everything is within the recommended range. Now, let's focus on your Chevrolet Spark's tires and brakes, two critical safety components. Checking your tire pressure monthly is essential for fuel efficiency and safe handling. You should also inspect your tire tread depth. A simple quarter can help you gauge wear. For brakes, regularly monitor the thickness of your brake pads and the condition of your rotors. Addressing these areas proactively ensures your Spark stops reliably and handles well in all conditions. Finally, let's discuss some advanced maintenance tips for your Chevrolet Spark. Don't forget about your air filters. Replacing them every 12,000 to 15,000 miles can significantly improve engine performance and fuel economy. While many tasks are DIY-friendly, remember to schedule professional inspections for more complex maintenance, like transmission fluid changes or timing belt checks. These expert services ensure your Spark remains in peak condition for years to come. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.